Hi, I'm Anastasia Chatzka, a fashion designer with over 20 years of experience and a sewing educator. And I'm really excited you're here to share another sewing adventure with me today. Welcome to Sewing Anastasia, and today we are going to talk about muslin. What is it and when should you be using it? If you're not already a subscriber to Sewing Anastasia, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing and following along on my sewing adventures. I'm now also teaching virtual sewing lessons and sewing lessons in person, and you can sign up at sewinganastasia.com. Okay, so you're probably wondering, what is muslin? This giant roll of fabric I have right here is muslin. Muslin is a gray good. It's an unprocessed fabric. That's why you can see all those little speckles in it. You can also get muslin that is a bit processed and has been bleached or refined as well. But generally muslin is a gray good, and it's really cheap to buy, and that's why you see a lot of test garments in the fashion industry made out of it. Because are you gonna wanna sew up a beautiful, fabulous dress out of your fabric that costs hundreds and hundreds of dollars a yard, only to find out that the fit is off and you have to recut it out and re-sew it up? You would be wasting so much money. So it's a great idea to use muslin as your mock-up garment, so that way you can keep refining your design over and over again, and it's not gonna cost you a ton of money. Muslin is a plain woven fabric. That means there's one fabric going towards the weft and one going towards the warp, and that way, if you took a thread from the end and you pulled it, it would pull off all the way across your fabric. Look at that. Woo! That means it's a plain woven fabric with no stretch to it. You'll also notice that a lot of times people are using muslin when they do their drapings as well. Muslin is one of the oldest fabrics around. People have been making it and making clothes out of it for centuries. Pretty crazy, right? So don't forget that next time you're ready to make a new garment, buy some muslin so that way you can test out the garment and mock it up in something super cheap and easy to sew in. Thanks so much for watching Sewing Anastasia today. If you have any questions or comments on muslin, leave it down below and I'll get back with you as soon as I can. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, give it some applause, and let me know what your favorite part of the video was down below. Also, make sure you follow me on Instagram and Facebook and TikTok and all those other fabulous social media websites so we can stay connected and inspiring each other. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!